Hey traders, let's take a quick look at ICP today. ICP is up 12% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $2.5 with strong volume backing the move. So, is this real bullish momentum or just a trap? Strong price plus volume is a positive sign, but fast pumps can reverse quickly. If momentum continues, more upside could follow. If not, it might just be short-term hype. Also, quick update, we've just released our latest ICP price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for ICP. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime, happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.